The BigCommerce Toolkit makes interfacing with the BigCommerce API from the command line easy. To install the BigCommerce Toolkit, run pip install BigCommerce Toolkit. Once the tool's been installed, you can see the available options and arguments accepted by the BigCommerce Toolkit by running the command bigc. In order to interface with the store, you must pass a store hash and an authorization token. These can be passed either as arguments to the command or sourced as environmental variables. So I'm going to source some demo API credentials now. Now I'm able to interface with my store. So I'm going to run bigc products get all to see if there are any products in my store. Currently the store is empty, so we're going to go ahead and create some products. So I'll run bigc products add, and then we can pass values as arguments, or I'll show you later as a data object. So here we're going to create a product with the name demo product, a price of $19.99. It's a physical product and it has a weight of 0. All 4 of these values are required fields by the BigCommerce API. So if you omit one, it will throw an error. So let's go ahead and ensure that all the required fields are added, and now we have created our product. If we run the get all request again, we can see that the product is returned. And if we want to get this output in a nicer format, we can pipe this into another command like JQ. And that will begin formatting the data a little bit more nicely. And we can actually construct a query within JQ to return only the values that we desire. So here I'm going to extract just the ID, SKU, name, and price. And then we can actually format that as a CSV file. And now we can pipe that data into another tool called CSV look to format it as a table on the command line. Now we can see that our SKU value is missing, but the other data is as we would expect. So let's go ahead and add a SKU to this product. So we'll say product update, and then we'll give it the ID because the ID is required in order to update a product, and we'll give it a SKU of demo 1. And now if we run our formatted get all request again, we can see that the SKU is added. So let's say we want to add another product. This time we're going to add a second demo product with a price of $15.99 using a data object. So we're actually piping a data object into the command, and a single dash here designates standard input for the value. And so here we're doing a products add command with all of this data. And we'll actually go ahead and add a SKU in here as well, and we'll give it a SKU of demo 2. And if we run our formatted get all request again, we can see that that has created our second product. Now let's suppose we want to update all of the products on our store to have a price of $24.99. We can do that as well by doing products, bigc products get all, and then we're going to pipe that into JQ once again and get the data object, and we're just going to extract the IDs. So now all we have is the IDs, and then we want to pass that into xargs, which basically lets us kind of loop through and run a command for each item that's returned. And so we will do that and run the bigc command to, let's say, update. And then pass the ID, and then we're going to say price, and then $24.99. Let's go ahead and run that. And now if we run our formatted get request again, we can see that the prices have been updated. So that's a quick demo on how you can use the BigCommerce Toolkit to very quickly interface with the BigCommerce API from the command line and perform bulk actions, format data, really do anything you need in order to script the BigCommerce API. Thanks.